Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating in a really awesome challenge brought to us by my dear friend MomDas from MomDas Life Handmade and Beatrice and Lauren from Bum Bea DIYs. I'm just so thrilled about this challenge because I get to create a useful DIY for a loved one. And I decided that I wanted to make a beautiful wreath, let's say wreath, but this is just something that they can hang on their door on the inside of their home if they put some tape on the backside. And I just saw something that I will insert on Walmart that inspired me to create this wreath. So let's get started. For that, we're gonna need a template of a heart. We're gonna need some foamy, glittery, you can pick the color you want, and we're gonna need this sturdy felt. You pick or you choose whatever color you want. I made this template, I won't say, this shape, heart shape. This heart shape out of cardboard, as you can see. We're gonna need some twine, and with that we're gonna be starting our project. And now we're going to attach our jute string. I cut a little piece of jute and we're going to attach it to our heart. This is not heavy, so we can use our glue gun for this. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, it sparkles with the light. I'm so in love with what I created for this challenge that I will be making one for myself really soon. I'm not saying who I'm gifting this to because she watches my videos, so I don't want her to know before I give it to her. In the description box down below, I'm gonna leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our host channel. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.